In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Hostinger account with a collaborator using hPanel. This is a handy feature when you want to allow someone else to manage certain aspects of your hosting services, like your website or domain, without giving them full control over your account. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to log in to your hPanel. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select the option labeled Account Sharing. This option will take you to a page specifically designed for managing who can share access to your Hostinger account. On the Account Sharing page, you'll notice a button that says Grant Access. Go ahead and click this button to start the process of allowing someone else to access specific parts of your account. Now, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Keep in mind that this person must have an existing Hostinger account. This is crucial because only email addresses associated with Hostinger accounts can be granted access. Once you've entered the email address, it's time to decide on the access level you want your collaborator to have. You have a couple of options here. The first option is Manage Services, which provides full control of hosting aspects, including databases, files, and so on. The second option is a bit more comprehensive, Manage Services plus Billing. This access level not only allows management of services, but also permits the collaborator to make purchases using your existing payment methods. After deciding on the level of access, you need to specify which services this person can manage. You can select individual services, such as particular websites, domains, or emails. If you trust the collaborator with everything, you can simply choose All, granting comprehensive access to your services. With all these selections made, it's time to click Grant Access. This action triggers an invitation email to be sent directly to the collaborator. After they receive this email, they just need to follow the link inside to accept the invitation. Once they've done this, they'll be able to manage the selected services under their own Hostinger account. And there you have it. To verify everything is set up correctly, you can go back to the account sharing page. Here, you'll see their status marked as active. Remember, you hold the power to revoke this access anytime. Simply remove the collaborator from the account sharing page if you ever need to restrict their access. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully shared access to your Hostinger account with a collaborator. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.